Baja Bandeeto is a modern reincarnation of the wild and imaginative show cars that defined the 1960s and 1970s. Built by custom car artist and painter Spritz by Fritz Schenck, this bubble-top roadster pays homage to the free-spirited era of George Barris, Ed Roth, and Dan Woods, builders who turned vehicles into rolling sculptures. Completed in 2015, the Baja Bandeeto represents nearly 3 decades of experience and passion poured into one extraordinary machine. The design began with sketches by automotive designer Jimmy Smith, who envisioned a minimalist front end crowned by a large, transparent bubble canopy. The rest of the car drew inspiration from dragsters and hot rods of the past, with a focus on exaggerated proportions and eye-catching shapes. The entire fiberglass body was handmade, a one-off creation sculpted to match Smith's futuristic vision. Underneath its wild appearance lies a mix of practicality and eccentricity. Between the rear Ford Falcon taillights sits an air-cooled 1/600 cubic centimeters Volkswagen engine, bought for just $100 and completely rebuilt. Its polished finish now gleams proudly at the back of a custom steel frame. Up front, a Super Bell drop axle carries Harley-Davidson spoked wheels, while the rear rides on wide whitewall tires mounted on Astro Supreme-style rims. A Mercury steering box was cleverly hidden in the elongated nose to preserve the clean aesthetic. The paintwork is a masterpiece in itself. A base coat of yellow is covered with red pinstriping that mimics topographic lines rising and falling with the car's curves. Subtle gold leafing, murals, and a central red stripe add complexity and depth. Inside, white shag upholstery, nicknamed albino Bigfoot fur, echoes the eccentricity of the exterior. Displayed at the Detroit Autorama, the Baja Bandeeto captivated crowds with its craftsmanship and artistry. Alongside it stood Margarita Chiquita, a custom motorcycle built by Fritz with matching paint and attitude. Together, they celebrate the creativity and individuality that defined the golden age of show rods. Though the era of wild show cars has faded, the Baja Bandeeto proves that imagination and passion can still produce automotive art that defies convention and keeps the spirit of hot rodding alive.